Let's take one more exercise in SolidWorks. Exercise 232. All dimensions in millimeter ISO standard used for hole. Okay, look, this is our top view. This is section view. You will see section AA, and there is a one side view. Okay, so if you see the overall diameter of this circle 80 millimeter, and the thickness of this body 20 millimeter. Okay, then there is a one cutout. You will see these lines. You will see these radius 26, and this is going to lie at 62. See the diameter of this outer construction line 62. This is going to coincide here, and 60 degree. There are three number of patterns, and how you see this section 20 minus 8. So this is going to be, the depth is 12 millimeter. Okay, and 30 degree, this is going to be the angle between these. Now either choose top plane or front plane. I am going to select front plane, sketch. Now activate here circle and start with origin point. So click and drag. Right click, select and exit. Activate smart dimension and define the diameter 80 millimeter. See, go to feature and activate extruded boss base feature. Start condition we will keep same, but in direction 1. You see, you can, even though you can drag with the help of this drag handle. Now let's make depth 20 millimeter. Okay. Now I want to change the view so it looks more realistic. Okay. Brush nickel. That's fine. Now select this face, sketch, activate circle. Draw one more circle and make sure select for construction. And this diameter 62. Now I am going to activate construction line and let me draw. Okay. Let's define. -30 degree. Okay. Now let me select here three-point arc, or let's say you can do, let's say center point. Start from here to here, exit. Okay, now let's select this point and connect somewhere here. Select exit, again draw a line and connect this end to here. Now here we need to create important relation. Let me select these two lines and make relation collinear. Okay, there is some, delete this point. Okay, now apply collinear. See, radius 6. Now look, it seems fully defined sketch. Now I am going to select the outer edge. Click here, convert entities. Trim entities, power trim, and just press and hold left mouse and drag over line, and see this is deleted. Now these things we are going to delete, or we are going to cut. Now make depth up to surface, no, blind. Now depth 20 minus 8, it's 12 millimeter. See, go to linear circular pattern. Now feature here, first direction. So I want any, either choose center axis or this circular body. Equal spacing, angle must be 360, 3 number of instances, feature and faces. So select this one or drop down and select extruded cut. Now you will see the preview. Say okay. Now at center there is a two hole. Now you will see there is one hole 40 diameter. See, clearly check. Now then there is one more hole 18 dia and the depth of hole 10, and the remaining is the hole for 40 dia, means 10, and there is a chamfer 45 degree, 1 millimeter into 45 degree. Okay, and these hole with okay 3 M5 holes. See here, this depth 28 millimeter. Okay, 28 diameter. So let me select here. Okay, right plane sketch. Now let's start line. Okay, now let's do one thing. Construction line, smart dimension. Now this inside depth 18 diameter, the outer one 40. Okay, and the depth of inner one is 10. Now look, it seems fully defined. So go to feature and activate revolve cut. Now due to this construction line, system asks, would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? Say yes. Now look, by default system took this center line as the axis of revolution. See, keep end condition blind and depth angle 360 degree. Okay, look. Now here chamfer we will add later. Now let's select the hole here, M5. So hole wizard. Now here I am going to choose this hole, ISO standard. Now here I'm going, this is tabbed hole. So no, this is not tabbed hole. This is tabbed hole actually, not simple hole. So I'm going to choose straight tab, ISO, and here choose tabbed hole. M5. Now hole throughout and thread also throughout. Here choose with thread callout. Position, select this face. Now right click and select and exit. First let me draw a construction circle. Select here for construction. Okay, diameter. Okay, 28. Now select this point and activate the tool and place one here. Say okay. Now this is fully defined sketch. Now if you do let's go to option, documents property, detailing, shaded cosmetic thread. Look. Now circular pattern, direction, let's say this hole, 360, equal spacing, 3 number of holes we need. Now feature, directly choose this hole and you will see the preview. Say yes and look. Okay, now here we created we need to create this hole, 3M8 hole, and you will see this is lies at 62 diameter. Okay, same 30 degree. So okay, let's go to hole wizard, tabbed hole, ISO standard tabbed hole, M8. Throughout, and this is also throughout. Go to position. Now select this face. Right click, select exit circle and draw a circle for reference for construction. Smart dimension. These diameter 62 millimeter. Now let me draw Now this is lies at 30. So select this one and select the end point. See, and you will see these 4 number of triads. So select this one, and you can assign angle 30 degree. Now select this point and activate tool and place at this point. Say OK. Okay, let me place. Then say OK. Look. Circular pattern. Now for direction I am going to choose any circular edge. 360, 3 number of holes and tabbed hole already selected. Say OK. Now you will see the preview. Now these all things have chamfer. Chamfer. Angle distance 1 into 45 degree. Okay. So I am going to use this. Say OK. Look. Now that's created. Now see, there is one more hole, M6, 3 holes, M6, and you will see this hole lies at the diameter of 60, and you will see 60 millimeter from here and 3 number of holes. Fine. So hole lies here again. Hole wizard. Tabbed hole, ISO standard tabbed hole. Now here I am going to choose M6. Now hole depth through all, thread also through all. Position. Now select this face. Okay, before going to apply anything, right click and select and exit. Okay, let me select circle. For construction purpose, again select the line. Now select this one, smart dimension, select this one and select this center point and this triad. Now select this diameter 60. Okay. Now we need to place hole here, so select this point, activate hole and place this point. Not placed. Right click, exit. Now just rotate. See. Now look, the hole is created. Circular pattern. Again I am going to use circular edge. 360 and 3 number of holes, equal spacing, and here feature this hole already selected here. Say OK, and that's it. Now what else balance? Now look, there is a one cutout. You will see the these lines. You will see in section view these cutouts. Look, these are the cutouts: 12, 18, 16, 3, 2.5, and distance from here to here. How much? Look here, 11 shows. Means distance from here to here 9. 20 minus 11 is 9. Okay, so either you can apply 11 from here. So let's check plane. Top plane. Okay, you can visual from here. Select top plane, sketch. Now draw one center line. Now let me make one line. Exit. Now select this all, mirror entity, and you will see this is mirror. Activate line tool and close from both the end. Right click, exit. Smart dimension. (16), 18, and this one 12. Okay, now let me define this distance. 2.5. Similarly, this one 3. Now, distance from here to here 11. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. Extruded cut. Reverse up to surface and select the upper surface. Now you will see the preview. Okay. See, circular pattern. I am going to choose this circular for direction. 360 degree, 360 angle. If you choose 180, see, this is going to be disbalance. So 360 complete, 3 number of hosts and feature already selected here. Say OK. Now look, our tool drawing is created. If you don't want to see this detail, right click on annotation details and here uncheck cosmetic thread and these lines will be hidden. See, don't forget to share and like our video and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching. Right click, edit material and plain carbon steel, let's say plain carbon steel. Density 7800 kg per cubic meter. Okay. Close. Thanks for watching.